So hi everyone. Whenever you are looking me, Namaste. So Jai Shri Krishna everyone. So I just want to tell in few days before I have found a playlist. I just want to show you. Just look at this. Just look at this playlist I have found. In this playlist, like one playlist is PYQ, NCRT plus competency based questions. So in this playlist, you are mainly find question from reflection and refraction of light. All the important question for your board examination I will add here. For your better preparation, I just added here. And this is common playlist like in this entire class 10th, whatever MCQs they can ask, like up to what level they can go. So all the NCRT competency based question, previous year question also I will add here just for your better preparation in physics section. In physics part, you will not face any problem. Again, I am saying, physics से डरना नहीं, physics को डराना है. Clear? We have to make our physics very very strong, and we have to solve all these competency based question as much as possible because CBSE has changed the pattern, and this time in coming board exam you will see lot of NCRT plus NCRT CBSE question. Along with that, they will give you competency based question. Okay, this is just for CBSE class 10th. I just highlight what I am going to prepare for you and what you have to uh, take away from me. And whenever I am going to form any lecture or a doubt question I'm going to take, you have to check that video and solve by your own first. After that, after that, please try to solve the question again and again. Then you have more practice. You solve, you have different types of papers like previous year question, OSWAL paper, everything you have. But along with that, these questions are very, very important for your board preparation. Okay. So silently watch that. And if you have any doubt, you have my number anytime for any guidance and any mentoring. Clear, you can take away from me. Okay. I'm always with you people. Always with you people. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And wish you good luck for your board examination. Like for all my North Indian and South Indian students, and entire student of in India. I just wish you good luck for your board exam. Keep it up. Work hard. Move ahead and don't fear. Don't take stress. It's a part. Life is a journey. You have to move endlessly. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot.